Mati from Enhanced English. Today I have come back with a new topic. This is alternative words for yes. So, shall we go for a movie? Yes. Are you in it? Yes. Am I looking cute? Yes. So, yes. Yes is a flexible and familiar word, so we can use it often. But I'm coming with 15 alternative ways to say yes. Because yes, we often hear the word yes again and again, so this is important to hear, right? So let me see 15 alternative words for yes. Okay, we have a common question that, do you want to come over for a movie? Do you want to come over for a movie? So the answer, we can answer yeah. Yeah is a pleasure. So yeah, I'll come. So we can express yeah. And we can say, oh yeah, because with excitement, oh yeah. So yes, for yes, we can say, oh yeah, or yeah. So this is one expression for the question. And next, ep. Do you want to come over for a movie? Ep. Which means, yes, I'll come. So, yeah. And you bet. This is an informal. We can use you bet or yeah. With our family or friends. We cannot use with professions and for informal. So this is an informal, yeah, or you bet. And the next expression is sure. Do you want to come over for a movie? Sure. So this is I like to come. So we can say for that the word sure or for sure. For sure is I very much like to come with you. I like very much to come with you. So for sure. So do you want to come over for a movie? Sure. For sure. The next expression is okay. Do you want to come over for a movie? Okay. It's not much excitement and it's not negative. It's okay. Right. I don't have any more words, so I can come with you. Right. So the expressions are okay, right. This is a normal expression. Next expression is no problem. Some of us have some commitments we have to ask to our family or the guardians, but we don't have any commitments, so we can say no problem or no issues. No issues or no problem, I'll come with you. So, do you want to come over for a movie? No problem, no issues. The next expression is definitely. So, this is a formal answer, a replace of yes. Your boss is asking you, can you complete this project within time? Definitely. So, certainly. Definitely, certainly. So, these are the words replace yes in a formal way. So, whenever the professional asks some questions, we have to answer for definitely or certainly. So, both have similar meanings. So, for sure, I do it. So, definitely or certainly. Do you want to come over for a movie? Definitely. Certainly. Okay, the next expression is of course. Do you want to come over for a movie? Of course. I don't have any words, and of course, why not? I come with you. Yes. So for this, we can say of course. It's no commitments, it's no works at all. I'm willing to come with you. So here, and this is also a profession. So of course. Do you want to come over for a movie? Of course. Next, alright. Do you want to come over for a movie? Alright. It's not much happiness and it's not unwillingness, and this is alright. I'm coming. And then for alright we have an informal word that alrighty. So here with joy we reply that alrighty. So do you want to come over for a movie? Alrighty. With joy. So these kind of words are replaced the word yes. These are the alternative ways to express yes. Okay, I hope you can understand these words, and after you see this video, you use these different types of words for yes, but these are a familiar words you already know, but you don't have some ideas wherever the words used, so wherever we can use these words. So now I hope you can understand. Thank you, and let me see some more interesting and active topics for next video. Bye.